client on the court directly.
Oh. You have to, after you get a lawyer degree, it's like a degree, right?
Yeah, it's a degree. Yeah. I can work as a law officer or as an intern under senior advocate or solicitor, but for me, I have to get the I have to certify by the government to represent the client in the court. Yeah.
Okay. So you can, if you know someone, you can directly go to the court, and under them you have to train like an intern.
I'm working in a law firm. I am working there. I'm doing all the paperwork and everything, but I have to get some kind of certificate to do that. I have to pass an exam. It's called bar council exam. I think in your country it's the same case. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Then you are working in a company as a legal advisor, or?
I am working under a law firm. Law firm is like a lot of advocates, senior advocate. They make a firm together where the clients come up with their civil, criminal, or corporate cases, and they will go to the senior advocates according to their choices. Amongst those senior advocates, and I am doing kind of internship under them. So whatever paperwork they have to do, like bail petition or maybe the plain written statement or whatever, I will be the one who will draft everything and will get paid because of those things. And I'll be the one who will run under a senior advocate and I will go to the courts every time, but I just can't represent. I can't just do the arguments. Yep.
Okay.
Working under lawyer.
I'm getting a call.
Okay.
Okay, I think you got a bad network.
Network? No, your network
Wait a
only
minute.
in between. Hi, viral learner. Welcome. Hi. Can you hear me, Rakshi?
Hi, good evening everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hi. Yeah, we can hear you clearly. Yeah.
Okay, good evening everyone. Which topic are you talking each other?
No, just now we each other joined just a few minutes before.
Okay.
So, yeah, in between she came, our old friends. Like that, some of them will come immediately. So, if you are coming means we will speak to you for 10 minutes and someone will go like, like that only. So, then how was your practice going on?
Acha, what you spoke about it? I could not understand. Could you repeat?
Oh, okay. Because I was telling that we just gathered few minutes ago in this
I
group call, okay?
understood that part I understood, but you told me you speak 5 to 10 minutes. After that, do you want to leave the group?
No. I'm not telling that. I was telling that after 10 minutes, some of them will be entering this group call, okay? So by the time we will be inquiring about them. Now Ipsia came, no, she came after 1 week, okay? And she was speaking here for 10-15 minutes and she left, okay? Like that I was telling. They will be present for 5 or 10 minutes and they will go. Like that I was telling.
Okay, I think she was from Bangladesh and she spoke about her professional life, right?
Correct. Yes.
She is an advocate, right? And
Yes, she is an advocate.
practicing under seniors. Okay, I heard about
Correct.
little bit, and she elaborated everything about her professional life, how she did go to court and how do practice under senior. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe Bangladesh law and order is different and Indian law and orders are different, right?
Yeah, they have different IPC sections, no? We have different IPC numbers. For them also it is IPC only, but the numbers are different.
Numbers are also
IPC
different,
means
but she told about means law firm. Then That person, I forgot his name. One
Hmm.
person talked each other, then she told law firm, then he could not
Hmm.
understand what is law firm, right? We people tell
Yeah.
association in India.
Oh,
That
law association, law bar council like that.
yeah,
Law
yeah. We
association.
we we means tell in association, bar counseling association, any group
Hmm.
advocate. Then that's why he could not understand what he she
Oh,
wanted
she
to
is our.
tell. Right.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I hope that
Actually,
kind of part. Hmm.
okay, nice. Okay, every country has different, no?
Yeah. Of course.
So,
Definitely.
they, yeah. And he was asking, yeah, in which part you are working like that. Actually, in India, we will work, a lot of people will work under various places. In a real estate office also, they used to work. In a documentation office also, they used to work. Like that, many places they will be working, no?
Yeah,
In India.
if you want to tell about any organization and big company, definitely they hire advocate legally, right?
Yes,
Because
yes.
they don't have
Even banks,
any,
banks.
yeah, they don't have idea about how to protect their company or factory, or they don't have any idea about law, right? Then they, that's why they hire any kind of advocate and they protect their company, organization, or everything. That's why they can
Mm,
do it. That is a legal part, right? Because if you
correct.
want
That
to
is it.
set up any industry, then you require any kind of GST, income tax, or any kind of pollution certificate or sound system certificate. Any your competitor fight with you or against you, then you can protect your organization and your factory, right?
Yes, yes. For that only
Owner of
we
the
all are
factory,
hiring.
yeah, owner of the factory, he or she cannot know about all kind of legal work, right? That's why they hire.
Yes, yes. Correct.
Yeah.
So they used to, nowadays they used to allot some lawyers for each and every organization. No? Uh, Even in the many aspects. I'm just watching. Not only in banks, some other recruiters themselves, they are also appointing them in various places, even in schools.
Of
If they
course.
are running two, three multiple schools, they are having two, three lives for them
Yeah,
personally.
because of, you know, if you don't have idea about law and order, then definitely you face any kind of unexpected situation during your tenure time, right? Tenure period.
Yes, yes,
Because you are
happens.
working in private company, any construction work. Suppose any worker die during your
Mm,
work, then definitely their family, legally provide you notice, and they
mm,
illegally take bribe money or lots of money, right? Then if
mm,
you don't have
mm,
law and order, then definitely how can you protect yourself? That's why legally work people, they take advice from advocate, and they hire also advocate.
correct. Mm.
Yeah. Then you
Then,
tell how is your day?
yeah, it went nice. As
Rich.
usual, uh,
Pardon?
rich. No, no, nothing. You continue.
I never ever
Yes,
talk with Demon and Richa, I think so before. I
yes. Hello, hello, Viral. What's your name?
My name is Viral Learner. Do you see my name
Yes,
on the profile? Then you call me Viral.
Mm.
Viral.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is your real name?
Pardon?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Out of interest, she has
Yes,
given that name, okay? Richa. Out of her interest, she has given that name.
Lots of
Got
name.
me, Richa?
yes, Viral. How are you, Viral?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you? Tell me, which part are you in India? What do you do?
Yes, yes, I am also good. I am from Surat, Gujarat,
Okay. What do you
and
do?
I am a student. I am a student. I have completed my graduation previous year, and right now I am pursuing master degree. This is my second semester.
Wow, then you born and brought up in Gujarat, is it?
Yes, yes, right.
Oh,
What about you?
I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. I have completed my graduation. Right now, I don't do anything. I'm a job seeker.
Job seeker. Mm.
Yeah. Deman, I think I also never speak with Deman. Are you there?
Yeah.
I think he doesn't want to interact with me. It's okay, no issue. Richa, you tell how long have you been using this platform and what's your goal in 2026?
Yes, yes. I have been on this platform for 6 months.
Okay. And what's your goal in 2026? Have you made any kind of goal? Do you have any goal? Do you have any to-do list for
Yes,
2026?
yes, yes.
Tell me.
Yes, I have a lot of goal, and I have completed. When I completed second semester, after that, I will start competitive exam preparation.
Okay.
So I will start preparation for JRF.
Okay. Have you appeared?
Yes, after second semester, I will appear for this exam.
Okay. Then, do you join any kind of coaching center or are you doing solo practice or preparing?